Okay, so I am buying one of this boy squishy and one of, I think this jumbo-sized panda squishy, and whoever wants it, please trade with me. This is for my cousin, so know that it might be this. I am sharing it with him. So if you want this, it has a salvage trap. It doesn't show it right here. So yeah, and whoever wants me to buy this, I would. It's like the scented baguette keyboard wrist cushion, or the Bretto, or this Swiss roll, or this steam bun, this Katori steam bun. And if you would like to trade those with me, please trade with this. Please trade with this. A melon bun, a jumbo panda bun, any one of them, a yellow marshmallow bun, a cracking chocolate, a waffle mirror, the sandwich squishy, like the chef's one, the Hello Kitty bun with black bow tie, Bretto blue donut, Rilakkuma strawberry with dipped chocolate and nuts, basketball and soccer ball squishy, Perla Beads activities kit, a Doraemon dorayaki. I would love those, so please trade with me with this one. A melon bun. I think I just said that right here. Or you can any kind of kawaii candy, any kind of lead pencils, kawaii lead pencil, mini memo pad, squishies, deco tape, animal sponge, mini bag, bento box, silicone stuff, erasers, Minnie and Mickey Mouse head squishy, Winnie the Pooh head squishy, toast squishy, poop squishy, any emotion burger, any emotion with red bean bun, a Rilakkuma toast, any donut, bagel sandwich, huge melon bun is like really big. Huge sesame bun is really big. A Katori mushroom, Katori steam bun, Rilakkuma mushroom, loaf bread, Katori bun, mini croissants. Oh, I don't know how to write it. Sorry, bless you. Hello Kitty cream puff, Rilakkuma cream puff, Hello Kitty toast, regular bagel squishy, taiyaki fish, capybara pancake, a fish, purple, brown, or blue squishy, an egg squishy, a pig squishy, and that's it. Remember, if you like, or we could like trade for this one. Never mind, it's out of stock. I could trade for this one. And I could trade with this one. yeah, I think that's it. Or this one. I put it back room. And I'm going to show you my, if you have a Facebook, please add me so I can like do business with you in Facebook because it's really easier. So here it is. This is my profile pic, my timeline. And yeah. And you can sign up for it. So like this is, yeah. Oh, a hand. So yeah. Thank you. Bye.